Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Crosley C200. This is a direct drive turntable, built with a rugged look. It's required for all components quality. Some of the others maybe not so much. It looks like a host of the other best turntables at your price. Crosley's first direct drive turntable motor brings records up to speed quickly and smoothly. Rock the built-in preamp, or bring your own into the mix to make the greatest mashup ever. The C200 is equipped with an Audio-Technica 3600 moving magnet cartridge, adjusted to any preference. Choose your own beat with another cartridge and balance the sweet curves of the S-shaped tone arm with adjustable counterweight. Simply plug in powered speakers and you're ready to rock. Of course, you can always bypass the built-in preamp and use your own, too. Turntable includes built-in switchable phono preamplifier with detachable RCA output cables. Number 2 in this best turntable under $500 list is Audio-Technica LP120XBT. This is a lovely looking, sturdy turntable, but the best thing about it is that it sounds, as you'd expect from headphone specialists, excellent. It's also really easy to put together. You just plug it into your amp and away you go, and there's a USB output that comes with Audacity software included, for anyone keen to digitize their vinyl onto their PC or Mac. Connect hi-fi audio wirelessly via Bluetooth, to wired audio systems and powered speakers via dual RCA output, or to computer via USB. Selectable 33 or 45 or 78 RPM speeds with direct drive, DC servo motor. Adjustable dynamic anti-skate control. Variable pitch control with quartz speed lock. Featuring stroboscopic platter with speed indicator and removable plug-type target light for easier cueing in low light. Balanced S-shaped tone arm with hydraulically damped lift control and lockable rest. Connect via USB, then download and use the free Mac and PC compatible Audacity recording software. Our third choice is Project RPM1 Carbon. If you want to impress your Muso pals with a snazzy design, this is the one. It's like an art installation for your records in a high-gloss finish, and feels less cumbersome than some of the other options. Shifting the belt to suit albums or 45s might be a slight turn-off for impatient thrill seekers, but for the wow factor, and with a crisp sound, it's a really good bet. The debut Carbon Evo features our new design motor suspension. We have improved the old design to consistently reduce the vibrations better than before. The new debut Carbon Evo stands on 3 height adjustable damped aluminum feet to get the perfect stand. The rocker switch on the bottom of the turntable allows you to change speeds with the push of only a single button. The new debut Carbon Evo features the proven 8 and 6-inch one-piece carbon tone arm design. The super stiff, but lightweight tone arm delivers an insane sound quality with a convincing soundstage. The signal from the Rainier is transmitted via a single run of high-quality copper wiring direct to high-quality RCA connectors with a completely separate ground, preserving the balanced signal from the cartridge output. Let's watch more. Fourth pick in this best turntable under $500 list is Sony PS-LX310BT belt drive turntable. This turntable is another case of Sony proving it can basically do everything. You can record high-res tracks directly onto your computer, or you can just sit back and listen to albums from start to finish with impeccable sound. Want to get the most from your vinyl? With 3 settings, that is low, mid and high. The gain select switch allows you to switch the gain to match the audio level of your record, so you can hear your music at its best, distortion-free. With one-step auto playback, the turntable will automatically lower the tone arm, find the groove and get the music flowing. And when the record ends, just sit back as the tone arm automatically returns to its resting position. Featuring a new straight design and sturdy aluminum construction, the tone arm boosts traceability for stable playback, rich, clear sound and powerful bass. The turntable features a belt drive mechanism with an aluminum die-cast platter. Robust yet lightweight, the platter stays stable as it rotates for clearer playback of your music. For details, let's watch more. Our fifth and last choice is Denon DP300F turntable. If you are looking at the other turntables here and they all come across as a bit on the minimalist side, you would do well to look at Denon's offering in this category. This slim and sleek turntable is designed with a heavier bass construction that helps decrease vibrations, giving you a noiseless, rich and detailed sound. The automatic startup feature allows the turntable to begin play. With the touch of a button, the tone arm gets lifted and comes to rest so smoothly, ensuring no built-in phono equalizer creates an open, enveloping sound stage that enlivens your vinyl collection while staying true to the original recording. Connect it directly to a MIDI component or integrated amp that lacks a phono terminal for seamless use. Assemble the turntable, set it up in your living room or home theater with simple connections and start listening to your old or new records almost instantly.